Hey everyone, it's December 26th. We got the morning market rundown. Let's dive into this price action. So we have the daily time frame on the left, 30-minute time frame on the right. We recently got this pullback down into this 585 level, where this previous level of resistance, textbookly, I don't even know if that's a word, acted as support. We got that push, and we're trading now into this 20-day moving average. So this 20-day moving average on the open will start to flatten out here as we trade equally with the day, with data equally over the next 2 days, and we start to get data starting to rise. So if we consolidate or pull back for a day and then get going for two days, that could potentially bring us back up to that 607, and that's going to be the scenario to help make this 20-day moving average continuing to rise instead of flattening out. So how that would look like on an intermediate time frame is perhaps now, after this rally up over 3% in 32 bars. So that's like 2.5 days or so, 2 days of trading. So perhaps we get some consolidation, pull back to this month-to-date VWAP at this week-to-date VWAP here, the 594.82. And you can see we got a VP node right here. And if this level fails, we'll be monitoring this VP level at 592.27. And you can see that coincides with this handoff recent peak volume weighted average price here, which is this pink line. So I'll be monitoring for consolidation. If this 598.18 level breaks, then I'll be monitoring this pullback into this 5-day moving average, 594, 592 situation we just talked about. All right, finally at this 591 area, you can see we have a VP cluster, not even just a node, with this volume weighted average price of this low. Call this a cup, an inverted head and shoulder, cup and handle. We're starting to break this neckline. So a pullback to this 595.66 level would be a textbook level, that previous resistance acts as support after an inverted or cup and handled pattern. So if this breaks above this 599 and holds above the daily VWAP, monitor the continuation into the 604.46 and the 606.60 area. QQQ. Let's hide this real quick on the daily. QQQ, we can see here is now holding above the volume weighted average price high of the year after this pullback to this VWAP from the handoff of this previous low on Monday, the 6th of September. So we got that, the bounce off the year-to-date VWAP area, handoff, right? And now we have a potential handoff here. So perhaps we set an inside day, just get a continuation back up to this 538.57. So what we'll see here on the 30-minute time frame is to see if we get pull back to this 2-day VWAP to this 526.61 area, rally back above the 2-day and daily VWAP to fuel this push back up into this 530 to 534.52 area. If price fails to hold this 527.81 area, monitor a little pullback, potentially down to this 524.20, the month-to-date VWAP, down to this 523.42 week-to-date VWAP. You can see here this neckline of the same pattern on the SPY, inverted head and shoulder, cup, handle, inverted head and shoulder. Realistically, all it means is that the pattern of lower lows and higher lows is potentially now shifting to higher highs and higher lows. So that pullback would be the reclaim of previous resistance at this 525 area, potentially, round number. And this could get this 5-day moving average to start turning. So this is the situation we had mapped out for, is if we do get this pullout, this would be setting up the low risk, higher probability trade, giving us evidence that the intermediate trend has shifted. As we could see, our 5 days now gone from negative to neutral as the direction of this 5-day moving average starts to increase. So if this 524.20, 523 breaks, monitor this little VP gap fill back down into 519, which is that 520 area. And if this level breaks, we're going to continue to monitor this 514. So this is the potential scenarios I'm looking for. I'll just reiterate, not sure if I covered it. If we don't break the 527.81, pull back to it, and get back above this 528.60 and hold daily VWAP, that's where we're monitoring this push to 530.60 and then back into this 534.52. If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. Enjoy.